Welcome back to App Mentor. Today, let me show you how to convert low quality video to 4K resolutions using AI. You don't need to download any application. I'll show you an AI website where you can enhance your videos. So let's get started. First, open your browser on your mobile device. Next, you need to go to vmake.ai. So type it in your browser. From there, click on Tools and then go to Video Enhance. Here, you need to upload your video. No sign up is required. After uploading, your video will be processed shortly. Once downloaded, you will see how smooth the video is now. Your video quality has been enhanced. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!